LPS is a function to give DC power to transmitters. KPN-5500 sends 20 for VDC power. For KD-300 to H. By this power, KD-300 to H can send for to 20 mA output. For activating LPS, try to change user level to high. Press the mode key for 3 seconds. Press the up key at PAR1 to select PAR5. Press the mode key twice. And change STND to high under user. Press the mode key and hold mode key for 6 seconds. Press the mode key for 3 seconds. Press the up key at PAR1 to select PAR3. Press the mode key and change KCA.H to a .MA2 under IN-T. Press the mode key 3 times to set 0.00 at DOT. Set 00.00 at L-SC and 35.00 at H.SC. Press the mode key and hold mode key for 6 seconds. Press the mode key for 3 seconds. Press the up key at PAR1 to select PAR4. Press the mode key 20 times to change PV to LPS at AO-M. Press the mode key and hold mode key for 6 seconds. Without external SMPS, the transmitter can get the current signal for pressure. Transmitter and PV are displaying well.